Django is high-level Python web framework and web development programming language. Django can handle high traffic sites. How to install Django? Setup in PyCharm IDE. First, install in your PC and laptop Python latest version and pip package manager. After, install PyCharm IDE. Python and pip installation verify. Windows search box lo cmd type. First one, command prompt, select Python text command, enter Python space -version, enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.13.3. Second text command pip pip space -version, enter key press. Installed pip package manager latest version 25.0.1. Default destination folder location and path display. Window close. Desktop PyCharm IDE, select, double click, open. PyCharm IDE complete interface, dark mode display. First icon, main menu, click settings option, select settings window lo left side project Python project option, select right side first option Python interpreter, click first icon plus icon install icon, click allowable packages left side search box lo Django, enter internet on. First one Django, select right side bottom section lo install package, first button, click package Django installer successfully display. Second button, close, click installation packages package managers display pip and Django. OK, click main menu icon, click first option new project, click new project window lo first option location lo default location local disk C user and created folder name Python project. Your convenient easy identification location set. Right side browser icon, click left side desktop option, select second button new folder, click delete key press folder name, enter Django project, enter key press. Bottom side first one select folder, click created folder Django projects. Second one interpreted type default created virtual environment project VNV, create blue color button, click first button this window, click interpreting section lo building our project. Left side expand icon, click created files display. Left side fourth icon terminal, click pip package manager and Django latest version updating process. Text command pip space install space Django, enter key press. Collecting package manager installation process start. After installation completed, successfully installed display. Installed Django version 5.2.1. Created virtual environment command line before display CLS, enter key press. Create Django project, enter the text command Django -admin space start project, enter the project name Chari Tech, enter key press. Newly created project folder display folder name Chari Tech manage.py Python file, enter the second text command cd space dot // enter the folder name charitech, directory name / enter key press. Python project file name, enter manage.py, python space manage.py extension space run server, enter key press. Starting development server at URL http://127.0.0.18000. Blue color highlighted words. Mouse left click. Address bar lo our local host IP display. The install worked successfully. Congratulations.